Menteri Rangba kami Khalaya konrat ke sang mau la pentip baka sorkar jela kadang ikran baka Ministry of Coal ban penkelai ki kendon kenang bagi try par Mawïong ki badan tang khniat ke jaga kenyo ru ban rung sya ke jingti bat Khaiï Mawïong kaba shngan bat kaba kat kum ki kendon an haba kran shkilat pathai ku bor hadin ke jingelang ken hun menteri konrat ulong ba kani kalong ke jingbut dien ya ke jingya kendu ba ula dan bat menteri ka sorkar pedeng secretary ba additional secretary ke Ministry of Coal Menteri Rangba ula kerpahat ke ministry bahkan penkelai ke kendon ke badan minta kham tami ke jingbu ya ka 100 hektar kum ke jaka ke beritam na ke bentaban apply ke jingti Mawïong ke bakat kum ke an ka 100 hektar ke long ke bahe palat bun nagi try par Mawïong try jela kim dan kat kata ke jaka kum ta kim la ban apply lo ang ukonran ula pentip baga Ministry of Coal club yang sobhai ke jingkerpan bar klub tha bade ban thaw mar dori ka committee ban bishari ke ni ke man Karkum ke jingye thu jong ya ka committee la thaw kum ba shibnai mensha ha ka bagi khon na ka sorkar jila ki kanthup yu additional chief secretary u principal secretary u advocate general bad u director of mining committee kala de pelong ye ka jingye lang baningkong la pelong ru RCN ka jingye kran bad u additional secretary jong ka Ministry of Coal lembat ka kenhun ke start technical Ukonrat ulong boleh kendu hiru yau additional secretary hadin ke jingilang baningkong karbai ke jingilang ka ba lakmi lenti ban pelong hapo ki kendiat tayo banwan ngim pala ban ong bala poi shakarbai ka khaddu hanringi don ke jingkerman ka scam ka ba nginyo ya kalat ka ba kani kan prilat ik nongti Mawïong rin bad kinla ban penya ki par jongki hagrukom ka bashngan bad ka ba kat kum ka an ulong Menteri Rangba ula kedau bakani kalong kesenjam ka bakongsan jung ke sorkar namar kanya rap ik try parrit ki bahadu mentah kempala ban pendem yiki kendon namar ke jingduna ke jaka
Coal ministry with the ministry officials of the coal ministry. This is as a follow-up to the meeting I had with Honorable Minister and Secretary and Additional Secretary. And in that meeting, my request was to make necessary changes to allow the small time miners who have lesser area to also be able to enter legal mining, and the current form in which 100 hectares is required or is kept as a minimum level is too high, and most of the local miners are not able to apply. As you're aware, the minister was very positive in his meeting. He asked us to form a committee immediately. This was about a month back, and I'm happy to inform you that the committee has been formed, and there are members from our side, which includes our additional chief secretary, our principal secretary, and our AG, as well as our director of mining. And already one meeting has taken place at the official level of the committee, and also discussions have happened twice with the additional secretary and the technical team. And I have also met the additional secretary myself after the first meeting took place. And the second meeting is due to take place in the next couple of weeks. We're very hopeful, as I said, that we'll be able to find a positive solution so that our small time miners are also able to legally find a solution and be able to operate their mines in a safe and a legal manner. So this is a very important step for us, and I wanted to share with the press as well as with the public at large that things are moving in a positive direction.